Can you remove facial verification on Binance? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question that how you can remove facial verification on Binance. So in this video, we'll be answering a common question. So can you remove facial verification from your Binance account? So let's break it down. So the straight answer is no. You cannot remove or turn off facial verification on Binance once it's been set because it's the part of Binance required KYC process which is used to keep your account secure and to comply with international regulation. Now, why is it mandatory? Facial verification is mandatory because it is used to access most features on Binance. It is used to increase withdrawals limit. It is used to verify your identity for the security purposes, and trying to bypass it or disable it can result in account restriction or a locked account. And if you're facing issues with facial verification, your best option is to contact Binance support directly through the app or website, but just be clear that you won't be able to trade or withdraw without completing identity verification, including the facial scan. So there you have it. Facial verification on Binance is required but can't be removed once set up. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.